Phil Swinnerton. I'm the operations manager here at Agg-Pro. Agg-Pro was formed in 1996. We started off as a service supporting industry, and in time we were able to pick up some dealerships for quarrying and recycling machinery. That's led us to today, where we're supplying into major blue chip quarries, small recycling yards and small contractors. We're based in Tamworth in Staffordshire, and we're covering the majority of the UK with most of our brands. We've took on board the CAT connectivity because we believe this helps us to aid our customers. As we know in our industry, it's so important to minimise your downtime. Having the CAT connectivity, it just provides us as the main machinery provider another angle to make sure that we can reduce that downtime.
The PL542 device with VisionLink is a low-cost solution for our customers. The installation takes only a few minutes. The device is plugged directly into the service port of the engine, and in total it is only a 5 to 10 minute process.
Through CAT connectivity, we can have early identification for various fault codes: low severity, medium severity and high severity. These fault codes can be sent via notification via email, the app or text message.
Because we get an accurate fault code and with an accurate description, it gives us a good idea of what's wrong with the machine to begin with. We get the fault that's occurring to the part in question and the type of fault that's happening. So that may be under voltage, over voltage. That allows us to have a good idea what we're going to, so we can liaise with fitting and get the right parts to the right place at the right time.
The customers have found it quite amazing really that we're able to know something's wrong with their machine before they've even realised. Now it might be that we're able to send an Agg-Pro engineer to fix the issue, but sometimes it will require a CAT trained engineer. They can then log into the CAT connectivity, and if they believe they need any parts to rectify it, they can go and carry out a first time fix.
Not only do we offer our customers access to the connectivity program, we offer a full remote diagnostic services. We can monitor your engine remotely 24/7, offer live updates and recommended repairs at any point throughout the engine's life cycle.
Our relationship with fitting is great. Usually, if we need them to be, they can be on site same day, if not next day at the worst. Our customers have machines all over the country, some of them in very remote places. Fitting are always able to get an engineer close by to site on time.
Since we've been able to install the CAT connectivity systems to the machines, this has helped us work closer together because we're able to go out and carry out fixes, and then equally we can relay information back to fitting to help them, and in turn that helps our customers. The customers look at the machine as a whole, which includes the CAT engine. It's there to support them and to make sure that they get better service and less breakdowns and downtime.